Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the notification of listening to music too long or too loud on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down a little bit, tap on accessibility, and then swipe down again and go to audio and visual. Once you're here, you are going to get the option called headphone notifications. So to protect your hearing, iPhone sends a notification if you have been listening to loud headphone audio or long enough to affect your hearing. If you get this notification too often and you are just pissed off with this notification, you can turn this feature off. The iPhone is going to ask you, are you sure? So just click turn off again, and once you have done it, you're not longer going to get the headphone notification that you are listening for too long or too loud. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!